Welcome back. Hope you are doing great. This is perhaps the most important video we have on our channel. Today we are investigating probably the most important verb in the entire English language. The verb, to be. It is an irregular verb that has a variety of different meanings and uses, and it is conjugated differently in the present simple, past simple, and participle forms. In this video, we will explore the origin and meanings of to be, as well as its conjugations and common uses. If you are new to the channel, please do consider giving us a hand. Subscribe, comment, give a like, and hit that notification button. It means the world to us. Let's get on with the video. The verb to be is derived from the Old English verb bean, which itself is descended from the Proto-Germanic verb bean. Bean was a highly irregular verb that had a variety of different meanings, including exist, happen, and take place. It was also used as an auxiliary verb to form the continuous tenses and the passive voice. To be is a multifunctional verb that has a wide range of different meanings and uses. Some of the most common meanings and uses of to be are: existence, to be, can be used to express existence or identity, as in the following examples. I am a student. Existence. She is my sister. Identity. Location, to be, can be used to express location or whereabouts, as in the following examples. The book is on the table. Location. Where are you? Whereabouts. Characteristics, to be, can also be used to describe the characteristics or qualities of a person or thing, as seen here. She is tall and slender. Characteristics. This cake is delicious. Quality. Relationships, the verb to be, can furthermore be used to express relationships or connections, as in the following examples. He is my husband. Relationship. The capital of France is Paris. Connection. Possession. Lastly, to be, is used to express possession or ownership. This car is mine. Possession. The house is theirs. Ownership. Let's have a quick look at the conjugations of the verb to be. Present simple. Past simple. In the participle it looks like this. She is being taught Japanese. I have been to many places. We have compiled an extensive list of examples of the use of to be. Take your time and study it carefully. Let's take a closer look. I am from South Africa. Present simple. He was late for the meeting. Past simple. She has been very busy lately. Present perfect. Are you feeling okay? Present continuous. Were you at the party last night? Past simple. They will be here soon. Future simple. It is cold outside. Present simple. This cake is delicious. Present simple. I am going to be late for work. Future simple. He was being rude to the waiter. Past continuous. She has been working on this project for weeks. Present perfect continuous. Are you being honest with me? Present continuous form. Were you being sarcastic? Past continuous form. They will be waiting for us at the airport. Future continuous. It is snowing outside. Present continuous. This apple is not ripe yet. Present simple. I am going to be a doctor. Future simple. He was being unreasonable. Past continuous form. She has been feeling sick for days. Present perfect continuous. Are you being serious? Continuous form. Let's end today's video with a quiz. You have 30 seconds to answer each question. Answers will be given after each question. Which of the following is not a meaning of the verb to be? Answer B. Movement. Which of the following is not a conjugation of to be in the past simple form? Answer C. He be happy all the time. In the next part, I am going to ask you to fill out each gap with the most logical form of the verb to be. Good luck! Let's have a look at the answers. Please compare and contrast your answers with the answers on your screen now. To sum up, the verb to be is a fundamental and multifunctional verb in the English language. It has a variety of different meanings and uses, including expressing existence, location, characteristics, relationships, and possession. It is also conjugated differently in the present simple, past simple, and participle forms. By understanding the different meanings and uses of to be, as well as its conjugations, you can use this verb more effectively and accurately in your own communication. Thank you very much for finding the time to watch today's lesson. It is recommended that you watch this lesson a couple of times, as this helps you further your language skills even more. If this video provided you with some value, do consider helping us. Subscribe, give a like and hit that notification button. This way you will never miss another video from us. Take care and see you in the next one.